Hey everybody, Luis here, and in my journey for Vietnam, I found a really nice place for the history of Hanoi War. Remember, in Vietnam there was a very big war. So right now, I show you during the war, they built something very interesting. That this is the video I'm going to show you. So if you see right now, we're going down because they have a military operation bunker, and General Commander headquarters. So let's find out how was the bunker in the Hanoi War in Vietnam. So we have a small picture here, probably the commanders. Woo, it's quite deep. Let's go. So very interesting detail, guys. So if you see now this door, you really cannot believe it, but it's extremely heavy to close it. Wow, it's very, very heavy to close it. So I can imagine the security of this one is incredible. So now we have the first room here. The first room, probably he was the meeting with the commanders, and oh wow, yes, probably they have some very good strategy about the war. Forget this TV, the police is not here. And then we have some very historical clothes and telephones. Let's go for the next room. Woo! This room is a little bit more formal, and definitely for sure the leader, he was sitting down here, and they probably make all the decisions during the war. And they have some cabins, of course, making decisions, phone calls, how it's gonna be the war and everything. And again, more instruments here. Let's keep exploring. One more heavy door. Remember, guys, we are a little bit deep. Very big door here. This is very old. I'm not sure what is that. If you know, please leave in the comments. And this is part of the bunker, guys, because this is a very big area where more than 1,500 bombs just land here for 7 days in the Hanoi War. Now we go up a little bit to see how it was it. Oh, we have a very old pictures here. You see, it was just destroyed. And something very, very nice. This bicycle survived a little bit, probably still working, I'm not sure. But wow, imagine 1,500 bombs just land. That is the building I was talking in the beginning. So many bombs just land here. So very, very interesting. I will show you something super cool, how the Vietnamese tried to survive. So if you see the pictures, that was terrible. And this is one of the towers to try to protect the people. So if you see these small holes, maybe you're thinking, what is it? What is it? So people, when they listened the alarm, they just, have a look, this one, the people just hiding over there. They just hiding over there because, well, you don't want a bomb in your head, right? So there are many of these ones. This is still over there. And in that area behind over there is just the destructions and everything. It was really, really nightmare for this Hanoi War. And they keep some posters during the war, which is very beautiful, how they express the idea of the war and everything. And anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy very much. It's a very, very nice plan if you come to Hanoi in Vietnam to see a little bit more about the history of this country. And anyway, see you soon. Bye bye.